Say what? No. Why you say that? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Don't feel like that. I'm not neglecting you. I promise you I'm not. No, I'm telling you, I'm gonna spend all day with you. The entire day I'm gonna spend with you. You know why? Because I love you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. She's been talking to me. She's been saying that I've been neglecting her. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. I said I got you today. I promise you I'm gonna spend all day with you. Guys, what we're gonna do today on today's episode is what? We're gonna be cooking some major stuff today. We're gonna be cooking brisket, some chickens, and some sausages, because we're gonna be doing the first cook on this beauty right here. Yes, sir. The Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. Man, ain't she a beauty? So we're gonna utilize every single component that she has, from the smoke cabinet to the grill, just so we can see what this beauty can do for us as a family, and see if we can produce some beautiful barbecue. So guys, I'm no longer gonna neglect her. We're gonna spend the entire day with her, and we're gonna cook us some beautiful brisket, some chickens, and sausages just stated. Oh man, I can't wait to eat dinner tonight. So guys, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do everything. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is our prime brisket from Costco, which is about 11 pounder. It doesn't have a whole lot of fat on this bad boy right here, so for this nice chunk of fat cap that I'm gonna take off, and there's quite a little bit of silver skin, as you can see right there, guys. This is backyard barbecue, so I'm not worrying about that too much. And I'm not gonna bore you on how to trim this brisket, because as I stated in all my brisket videos, there's plenty of YouTube videos to show you how to trim this down to a 1/4 inch worth of fat. So time to season this beautiful prime brisket up, and what we're going to use for flavor is going to be Montreal steak seasoning. As always, this is my favorite seasoning for brisket and steaks. And then we're going to try Pit Boss Lone Star for brisket, and then we're going to use the remaining moisture that's already on the brisket to act as our binder. I'm not using any mustard, I'm not using any oils, I'm not using anything but the moisture that's on the brisket. Alright guys, so let's turn this baby on. Alright guys, as you can see, we got a nice rolling smoke going on, so we're going to close our lid, and then we're going to crank our temperatures up. I don't know if you can see that, but we're currently at 68 degrees, and then we're going to just push the button in, and we're going to crank it to 300. So we're going to push it in, make sure we are at 300, and we're going to wait till it come out the top. Check this beautiful prime brisket out. Wow. Man, that is looking gorgeous, guys. So our grill has come up the temp at this point, and matter of fact, let me back up the sun so you guys can see. We're at 308 at this point on the grill area, and the smoke cabinet is 152, 151. So let's place our beautiful brisket right here into our grilling area. Alright guys, so I'm going to insert the point towards my hot side, which is my right side of the grill, and I'm going to place it right in the middle. Right here. You hear the sizzling, guys? Oh yeah. We want to stretch this as much as possible, guys, because that's going to be our way of making sure this is nice and even, so that way you can get an aerodynamic way of cooking it, and make sure that all the smoke flavor is going to infuse this nice and evenly. The next thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to insert our meat probe. We're going to place it right in the center. You can place it on the point or in the flat, but I like to usually use the center for my probes to go in, and just to make sure you don't punch all the way through, just right in the middle. And then close the lid, guys. So we're going to place our meat probe right here in our little ports. So I'm going to go, matter of fact, we'll go with number 2. Just going to let it close down. And as you can see, let me block out the sun again. We're currently at 60 degrees 59, 60 degrees on our brisket. All right, guys, as you can see, we got two beautiful chickens that we trimmed lightly, and we took out the gizzards and the neck bone inside the carcass, and we trimmed off the excess skin that was on there. I'm gonna leave the little bit of fat that's on it just to give it a little flavor, and we always folded the wings back so it can cook nice and evenly. And all we're gonna do now, guys, is season it nice and gently and keep it real simple with some Montreal roasted chicken seasoning. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about an hour and a half at this point on our brisket, and let's take a look at our temperature in our grill area, which is about 310, 173 on our smoke cabinet, and our probe is reading 143 for our brisket. And matter of fact, let's take a look at our brisket now. Oh yeah, take out that beauty, guys. Check it out. Look at that. Matter of fact, guys, all we're gonna do is spritz it with a little bit of chicken broth, since I don't have any beef broth or beef consomme. And right here, again, this is just beef broth that I have in here. All I'm gonna do, guys, is spritz it lightly just to keep the moisture on here, just like so. And at the rate that it's going, I'm not gonna even wrap it. I'm just gonna let it cook all the way through, guys, till we get to 205. So about at 165, 170, that's when I'm gonna throw my chickens in here in the smoke cabinet, and then we're going to be able to cook them in there, and then we're going to follow it by the sausages. Hey baby, told you we want to spend time with each other today. You okay? I told you she'd be talking to me, guys. What's that? Yeah, you love me? All right, guys, so let's talk about a little recap of what we did so far. Basically, we took our brisket, we took our chickens, and we just lightly trimmed them. On the brisket, we did a 1/4 inch of fat just to make sure we have a nice little amount of fat to cover that brisket and cook the fat side up in order to protect the brisket. And as you can see, it's cooking nice and beautifully. Our chickens is going to go on this smoke cabinet at about 165, 170, and then followed by our sausages. Oh man, it's going to be a beautiful cook. Today's season, we use Montreal steak seasoning and Montreal chicken seasoning, and one of my go-to favorite rubs to use on steaks, brisket, and chicken. Also, we tried today's Pitfall Lone Star on our brisket just to see what the hype is all about. I hope it's just as good as a Java Chop House, but we're gonna see at the end when we do the taste testing. And guys, whew, it smells so good right now. I wish you could smell the aroma. But back to the video, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're looking about 162 on our probe for the brisket, which is 161, 162 now. Let's take a quick look at it. 2 hours is what it looks like. Still plenty of moisture left, but just for the heck of it, I'm gonna spritz it a little bit more. And it's time to put these beautiful chickens in our smoke cabinet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at our numbers. We're looking pretty good. 299, 207 for the brisket, 206 now. Our chickens are not too bad. 116, 122. Take a look at our beauty. Oh yeah, take a look at that part, guys. Oh man. Guys, I'm gonna take this baby off and then wrap it, and then we're gonna let it rest for at least 2 hours. Before we do that, let's do a little probe test, guys. Take a look at that. Oh yeah, no resistance. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah, yeah, no resistance whatsoever. Woo. That's how you do it, baby. All right, guys, so as you can see, our temps are 300 even on the grill and 168 right there on the smoke cabinet. And our chickens are doing pretty well. 122, 127, 129, so 123 now. So what we're gonna do with these chickens, we're gonna pull them off from the smoke cabinet, and then we're gonna place it right here into the grill area just so they can brown up nice and evenly. So time to add our sausages. Just regular links, we're not doing nothing major to them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our chicken is now done. Take a look at these bad boys right here. So it's time to put these chickens off and let them rest. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at $2.99 on our digital display, and let's take a look at our sausages that I transferred from the smoke cabinet down to the grill area, and take a look at these sexy, beautiful sausages. Oh yeah, nice and glistening. Take a look at the back, nice little grill marks. Oh yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna take these babies off and we're gonna let them rest for a while, and we're gonna do a taste test and give you my final thoughts on the first cook on this bad boy right here, the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. Look at this, guys. Bent test. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. And look, it just falls apart just like that. And we'll move right along with the roasted chicken, guys. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. And then we got the sausages. So I'm just gonna carve a little section right here. Take a look at that, guys. Wow, still moist. Let's do the sausage. Bam. All right, guys, so it's time for the best part of the entire reel, which is what? The taste test. So what we did today was 3 different meats, 3 different proteins, 3 different things that's going into my mouth and making my belly happy. And what we did today was brisket, chicken, and sausages. Best of 3 worlds. So with that being said, let's get down to eating. So first thing first, the brisket. Like I said, look at that bentas. Holy smokes. Oh man. Wow. Oh wow. It melts in your mouth. That McCormick Grill Master. Wow. That steak seasoning is really shining through, along with that Pit Boss Lone Star. Not bad. I kind of enjoy it. Next thing we're gonna try is the chicken. Still moist from the breast. Wow. Good flavor, good smoke flavor. A little mild hint of charcoal, not overwhelming. As I stated in my other charcoal videos, wood pellets videos. Just small mild hint of that charcoal flavor. And we're gonna try the sausage. Now guys, we didn't make the sausages, we didn't do anything as far as seasoning goes. Wow, it was really good. It's just some simple, good Italian, mild sausages. These are phenomenal. So here's my final thoughts. This is definitely a game changer grill for Pit Boss. Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. I mean, wow. You got the smoke cabinet and you got the grill area in the bottom, and you got over 2,100 square inch of cooking space. What more can you ask for, right? I mean, you can definitely do big giant cooks. If you got a big family reunion coming, this bad boy gonna help you get those meats done. I promise you that. This is gonna be a game changer for Pit Boss in so many perspectives, so many avenues, and so many dynamics this girl can do for you. So man, definitely a game changer. So for the first cook, I really enjoyed doing it and spending time with, you know, she was talking to me, guys. I'm telling you, she was talking to me. So it was definitely a game changer in my opinion. I got to spend time with her, and I'm so glad that I got to. We share a little bond together, and I don't want to break that bond. So guys, if you like grilling and barbecuing, this is your channel right here. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends, and until next week, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.